Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 8 topic rational numbers between two rational numbers. How we can find if two rational numbers are given and how many rational numbers are in between these two rational number. So I am taking here an example. Find the rational number between 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 9. First, I find only one rational number between them. One rational number between them. Only one. If anybody said to me कि if two rational number are given and you find only one rational number between them, then what can we do? Here I am taking A as a rational number 2 upon 3 and B as 5 upon 9. How to find? You know that if I said to you, tell me one number between 2 and 5. You just said that, ma'am, 3, 4. You tell me two numbers, but I am here asking only one number. So you can say, maybe ma'am, it may be 3 or 4, whatever you want. But there are two numbers between 2 and 5. Beta, these are the natural number, or you can say whole number, because these are positive numbers. Okay, but you know that fraction and decimal number also, like 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, these number are also in between these, na? These number are also in between 3 and 4. So this is also in between these numbers, if we're talking about rational number or fractional or decimal number. So how can you find out? Beta, you can find out by taking, I'm taking here 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 divided by 2. You get 2 upon 7 upon 2. So what you get? 3 upon 5. Here you can see that we write here 3 upon 4, 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 is in between these numbers? Yes. How can we find out? Ma'am, we add these two numbers and divided by 2. So we get mid number of these two values. Okay. Similarly, in the rational numbers also, if they are in the numerator and denominator form, here 2 and 5 also are rational number if we put 1 in the denominator. So how can you find in this case? I said to you, add both the numbers and divide it by 2. So you get the mid value of these two numbers. So you can say that this number is in between these two numbers. So how to solve this? 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 9 divided by 2. Here you can solve by taking LCM. Okay, we solve these rational numbers by taking LCM, na? So you have to take 3 and 9 LCM is 9. How can you find this? You know na how to find the LCM. 3 1 ja, you can say 3 and 3 3 ja 9. You can write it here like that. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Again 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. Okay, so you get 1 1 here and the LCM is multiplying these numbers. 3 3 ja 9 is our LCM. Here denominator and LCM must be equal. So we multiply this number by 3. So numerator is also multiplied by 3. 2 3 ja 6 plus 5, because here 9 is already. 6 plus 5. 11 upon 9 divided by 2. I put 2 as a 2 upon 1. So how to change a divide into multiplication? Ma'am, we reverse the order of this denominator. 2 upon 1. Change the sign of division into multiply and reverse, and you can say it the reciprocal of denominator. 2 upon 1 reciprocal is 1 upon 2. So what you get here? 11 upon 18. This number is lies between here 11 upon 18. So you get a one rational number between these two number. If the question is, you can find out two rational number between them, then two rational numbers between them, then what can you do? मैम वन तो वी कैन फाइंड बट अदर टू, बेटा हमें इन दोनों नंबर्स के बीच में फाइंड आउट करना है. तो यदि मैं इन दो नंबर्स के बीच में फाइंड आउट कर लूँ तो वो नंबर भी तो इनके बीच में ही होगा. सी, यदि बेटा मैं 11/18 एंड 2/3 के बीच में कोई रेशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट कर लूँ तो वो इन दोनों के बीच में तो श्योर होगा, क्योंकि मैम वो इनके बीच में ही लाई करता है. या फिर आप 11/18 या फिर 5/9 के बीच में फाइंड आउट कर लो, वो भी इस टोटल के बीच में होगा. ओके, सो इट इज योर चॉइस. सो आई एम टेकिंग अ नंबर 2/3 एंड अदर नंबर इज जो अभी अभी हमने फाइंड आउट किया 11/18. सो सिमिलर you can apply this similar method. You can take at a C. So add these two number and divide by 2. You get other rational number between them. So you can take as a LCM 18. ठीक है, 6 you multiply by 6 plus 11/2. So what you get here? Okay, 23/18. Here you can write it 2/1. Reciprocal of this if we change the sign of divide into multiplication. So what you get here? 23/36. Okay, this is the rational number lies between these two number 11/18 and 2/3. Okay, that is 23/36. So this rational number lies between 2/3 and 5/9 automatically. Okay, if a rational number lies between these two number, it is automatically lies in between this. Okay, and you can find out if the question about the three rational number, so you can find out between these two numbers. You can say it 11/18 and 5/9. Add these numbers and divide it by 2. Okay, so we can find out various rational number in between two number, because add the number, divide by 2, add the other two numbers, divide it by 2. So you can get infinite rational number between two rational numbers. Thank you.